To activate your Monzo card, start by downloading the Monzo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your account using your email address and password. If you are a new user, you will need to sign up for an account first. After logging in, tap the card icon at the top of the screen to access your card details. You will see a button that says Activate Card. Tap this button to begin the activation process. You will then be asked to enter the last 6 digits of your card number. This can be found on the front of your card. Next, you will be asked to create a PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. You will need to enter your PIN twice to confirm it. Make sure to keep your PIN safe and secure, as it will be used to authorize transactions on your card. Once you have created your PIN, your card will be activated and ready to use. You can use your Monzo card to make purchases online, in-store, or at an ATM. You can also use the Monzo app to track your spending, set budgets, and receive notifications when you make a transaction. It is also a good idea to set up additional security features, such as two-factor authentication and card freezes, to help protect your account from unauthorized access. You can find these features in the Monzo app under the Account Settings menu. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Monzo card and start using it to manage your finances. Remember to always keep your card and PIN safe, and to monitor your account regularly to prevent any suspicious activity.